Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and insert a screen recording into your presentation. This will be demonstrating using a PC with a Windows operating system, and I'll be using PowerPoint version 2016. Let's head on over to PowerPoint to get started. In a previous tutorial, you learned how to create a graphical user interface for a PowerPoint presentation. This makes the PowerPoint presentation more like a tutorial. So now it's time to teach the learners how to navigate the tutorial. So as you can see, you have included a navigation page for this tutorial, and here is where we are going to insert a screencast. It's a little bit tricky because we actually have to open up a second PowerPoint. So let me show you how this works. You're actually interested in teaching your learners how to navigate the tutorial using the graphical user interface slide. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to take the grid lines off so that the viewer does not see the grid lines. And I'm going to open a new PowerPoint. And this is where I'm going to insert the screencast, and then I'm going to put it on the page, the navigation page, into my original PowerPoint. And the reason we do this is because PowerPoint is going to take a video or a screencast of anything that is directly behind it. So right now, what we have directly behind is our PowerPoint with the 50 U.S. states and their capitals. And we have the new PowerPoint directly on top of that. In order for this to work, you must have a microphone connected to your PC, or you could be using a laptop with a built-in microphone, but you will be recording your voice as well as any clicks on the arrow. So we're going to go to the Insert tab, and the thing we're going to insert is a screen recording. When we click that, it automatically takes you to your first PowerPoint, which is directly behind the second PowerPoint that we opened. And as you can see across the top here are some menu options that we have. We can select the area that we want to record. And then here is the audio controls. And here is the record pointer. So we want the pointer and as well as the audio to be part of this screencast. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that those options are clicked. And we can then select a custom area. And we already have the two solid lines like a plus sign. And so I am going to highlight the screen because this is the screen that we are going to talk about. When I'm ready, I will press record, and then to stop recording, I can either click the stop button, or I can do on my keyboard a Windows logo key plus Shift plus Q to quit. So let's go ahead and start recording. Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Welcome to the 50 U.S. states and their capitals. You are on the Navigation tab. Navigating this tutorial is easy. As you have discovered, you begin with About this tutorial and click through the tutorial as directed. When you see this icon, click the elements to find special effects. Across the top here, you will see 4 tabs. You can go to any of these sections by pressing the Home key. Along the left-hand side, you will see the actual content of this tutorial. Click on any of these sections as you complete the prior section, ending finally with a quiz. These buttons will take you to the previous slide next slide, and the home slide, which is the slide that takes you to the main directory. We hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Now I just pressed the Windows logo, the Shift key, and the Q key to stop my recording of this screencast. And here it is. It has popped into the slide of the new PowerPoint that we opened, and we can play it back. Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Welcome to the 50 U.S. states and their capitals. You are on the Navigation tab. Navigating this tutorial is easy. As you have discovered, you begin with About This Tutorial and click through the tutorial as directed. If you're happy with your recording, what you do next is you right-click your mouse to copy this recording, and you navigate to your navigation page and paste your screencast here. So now when users land on the navigation page, they are going to see a tutorial of how to navigate your tutorial. So let's put this in slideshow mode to see how that would look. Users will first click About This Tutorial because you have directed them to do so. We're going to populate this in a future video. Let me go to the next slide. And here is my screencast. Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Welcome to the 50 U.S. states and their capitals. You may have noticed that the navigation tutorial did not start automatically. So what we're going to do is we're going to double-click the mouse to bring up the Video Tools menu. And we're going to choose Playback Options, and we're going to change this to Start Automatically. Now let's see how that is working. I put the tutorial in presentation mode, and I'm going to the Navigation tab. Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Welcome to You Are on the And everything seems to be in order. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you soon.